All right, in this video, let's talk about, are you actually testing something or just changing things, right? So in this video, let's talk about this. So you guys can see there's landing page A and there is landing page B, okay? So what I did was, okay, so I want you, because I know you guys like the whiteboard, right? For more clarity, right? So when it comes towards landing page A and landing page landing page B. So what I did was that I was split testing two different landing pages. Okay, you never want to rely on just testing one landing page. Okay, so when it comes towards this, landing page A was converting at 50% email opt-in rate. Okay, and landing page B was converting at 30%. So what I did was, in order to get this, okay, so since I was running these two at the same time, so what I did was I obviously led landing page A because I had a higher email opt-in rate. And an email opt-in rate is when people are entering their emails. You guys can see when they click over here, they enter their email address, right? And the main reason why they entered their email address because they wanted that resource that I was gonna give to them, which was that training. And they were due, and this one was also giving that training as well. So the thing is that when it comes towards testing, you want to test one thing at a time. Okay, and what I mean by this is that you guys can see they have two different headlines, right? So what I did was that I was like, okay, if this one was converting at 50% and this one's like converting at 30%, what I need to do in this case is that I need to somehow get landing page B to beat that 50% email opt-in rate. So what I do in this case is that, remember, you only want to test out one thing at a time. So what I do in this case is that I needed to test the headlines. Okay, so I was I was testing different headlines. So I was trying to uh, be strategic when it comes towards creating this headline, right? So my goal, if this page, this landing page B, is only converting at 30%, I need to change that one headline, okay? Change that one headline. And by the time when I run traffic, my goal right here is to make sure that this is going to beat landing page A, if that makes sense, right? And if I'm only going to split test one thing at a time, to test out one thing at a time, is by changing the headline. And let's say, for example, if this was converting at 55% email opt-in rate, right? 55% opt-in rate. What I'm going to do is that I am going to pause this for a sec, this ad, okay? And I'm going to let this run because 5%, because it has a 55% email opt-in rate, which means is that now I need to change up landing page A, perhaps the sub headline now, right? Like, for example, this sub headline could be the culprit of why it's not tweaked towards its fullest potential, if that makes sense. So now my goal is, I'm going to pause this for a second, let this run. Now my goal is to make sure this 50% email opt-in rate beats that 55% email opt-in rate, if that makes sense. So that's how I test things when it comes towards lead capture pages. I will be talking about more when it comes towards the thank you pages. And then from there, how to actually test out other things when it comes towards this awesome space. And the cool part is that you actually get to see how I'm actually showing you guys on this cool whiteboard how we need to beat one thing to the other. And by the time when we fully maximize that lead capture page, then those leads can successfully go through in and get what they're actually looking for and serving your customers when it comes towards this. And then everything's a smooth process. Now, what happened is right now, once we have, let's say we're running landing page B, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own custom audience. And I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own Facebook ads. And the cool part is that we can actually start off with just $5 a day. Now, when we run these ads, we are going to create your own personal brand. Okay. In the future, I'm going to share you guys, let's say my 5 retargeting ads. Okay, I'm gonna show you so you guys can not copy but model what I do, and from there, the cool part is then you guys can have an idea of how to actually run this. Okay, so in this case, I do not want to overwhelm you guys, but I just wanted to share with you, are you actually testing something, or are you testing too much, or you're just changing things and you just not too sure, you're just changing too many things at once. The whole key in this video is to test one thing at a time. It could be the headline, and then you let the data run, you let the traffic run, and then from there everything becomes a smoother process. Okay, and yeah, I just wanted to go and create this video. I was hoping to make this video short, but at the end of the day, it's 7 minutes long. Make sure you guys subscribe towards this YouTube channel. Comment below this video if you guys are liking this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.